Building your English vocabulary is a transformative journey that enhances both your comprehension and expression in the language. The process is not just about memorizing words but involves integrating them into your daily life and using them in context. This comprehensive guide outlines various strategies and methods to expand your vocabulary effectively. The journey begins with understanding the significance of vocabulary building. A rich vocabulary enhances your ability to articulate thoughts, comprehend complex texts, and engage in nuanced discussions. It also improves your writing and reading skills, making your communication more precise and effective. By actively expanding your vocabulary, you equip yourself with tools to express ideas more vividly and to grasp subtleties in meaning that might otherwise be missed. One fundamental strategy for vocabulary expansion is immersive reading. Engaging with a wide range of texts, from classic literature to contemporary articles, exposes you to diverse vocabulary. Each genre and author introduces different stylistic elements and terminologies, broadening your understanding. As you read, pay attention to unfamiliar words, their usage, and context. Look up their meanings and note them down. Revisit these words periodically to reinforce your memory. In addition to reading, incorporating vocabulary building exercises into your routine can be highly beneficial. Flashcards are a classic method for memorization. Write the new word on one side of the card and its definition, along with a sentence using the word on the other. Regularly review these cards to reinforce your memory. Digital tools and apps also offer interactive flashcard systems and games that make vocabulary practice engaging and effective. Using vocabulary in context is crucial for retention. Once you learn a new word, try to use it in your conversations or writing. This practical application helps solidify your understanding and makes the word a part of your active vocabulary. Engaging in conversations, whether with native speakers or fellow learners, provides opportunities to practice and incorporate new terms. Online forums, discussion groups, and language exchange platforms offer practical settings to use and reinforce new vocabulary. Expanding your vocabulary also involves learning word roots, prefixes, and suffixes. Understanding these components can help you decipher unfamiliar words and build your vocabulary more efficiently. For instance, knowing that Benny means good or well can help you understand words like beneficial or benevolent. This approach not only helps you learn new words but also enhances your ability to guess the meaning of unfamiliar terms. Another effective method is to engage with vocabulary building resources such as thesauruses and vocabulary lists. A thesaurus provides synonyms and antonyms for words, offering alternative ways to express similar ideas. Regularly consulting a thesaurus can help you find more precise or varied words to use in your writing and speaking. Vocabulary lists, especially those curated for specific exams or proficiency levels, can also provide structured guidance for vocabulary expansion. In addition to these methods, keeping a vocabulary journal can be a powerful tool. Whenever you encounter a new word, jot it down along with its definition and an example sentence. Review this journal regularly to reinforce your memory and track your progress. This personalized approach allows you to focus on words that are relevant to your interests and needs. Exposure to multimedia resources such as podcasts, audiobooks, and educational videos can also enhance your vocabulary. Listening to content in English, especially on topics of interest, introduces you to new words and phrases in context. This auditory exposure can complement your reading and writing practice, reinforcing your understanding and retention of vocabulary. Language games and quizzes offer an interactive and enjoyable way to build vocabulary. Games like Scrabble, Boggle, and crossword puzzles challenge you to think about words and their meanings creatively. Online platforms and apps often feature vocabulary games and quizzes designed to test and expand your knowledge in a fun and engaging manner. Regular practice and repetition are key to retaining new vocabulary. Incorporate new words into your daily routine by setting aside time for focused vocabulary practice. Consistency is essential. Frequent, short practice sessions are often more effective than occasional long ones. By regularly engaging with new words and using them in various contexts, You strengthen your memory and fluency. Engaging with English in different contexts, such as through cultural activities or travel, can also contribute to vocabulary building. Immersing yourself in English-speaking environments or participating in cultural exchanges provides practical experience with the language. This real-world exposure helps you learn and use vocabulary in authentic situations, enhancing your overall proficiency. Understanding the nuances and connotations of words adds depth to your vocabulary. While learning definitions is important, knowing how words are used in different contexts and their emotional or cultural implications enriches your vocabulary. This understanding allows you to choose words more precisely and to appreciate the subtleties in meaning. Collaborating with others in vocabulary building activities can provide additional motivation and support. Joining a study group, participating in language workshops, or engaging in online language communities offers opportunities to practice and learn from others. Sharing your vocabulary goals and progress with others can also keep you accountable and motivated. Incorporating new vocabulary into creative writing exercises can further enhance your skills. Writing essays, short stories, or even daily journal entries using newly learned words challenges you to apply them in different contexts. This practice not only reinforces your vocabulary but also improves your overall writing ability. Tracking your progress and setting goals for vocabulary expansion can provide direction and motivation. Establish specific, achievable goals for learning new words and regularly assess your progress. Celebrate your achievements and adjust your strategies as needed to continue growing your vocabulary. In summary, building your English vocabulary is a multifaceted process that involves reading widely, practicing actively, using new words in context, and engaging with various resources and strategies. By integrating these approaches into your daily routine, you can effectively expand your vocabulary and enhance your overall language proficiency. Remember that vocabulary building is a gradual process, and persistence and consistency are key to long-term success.